So we have a 2013 Chevy Sonic, and it has, if my camera will focus, same key as a Camaro, and I assume pretty much every other Chevrolet or GM product that uses a key like this, flippy key. So, had a discussion in reply to Patrick's video about whether or not it mattered if there was a keychain on the key to turn off the ignition, and I wanted to see if I could kick off my ignition like the Camaro. So let's give it a shot. So the car is on and in neutral. It's probably a little loud because the garage is echoey, and I'm going to try to turn it off with my knee.
So you can do it.
I can't do it. The key sits at a weird angle. But I have an idea. We'll give it a shot. So with these flippy keys, you can flip them when the key is in the ignition. And that seems a little risky to me. So now I'm going to kick it with my knee. Well, it doesn't do anything because that's turning it the same direction as to start the car. So it's not going to shut off. But I can start the car with my knee. That seems safe. Now what if I go the other way? So I take the key and I put it in where the flip is this way. So now when the car is on, it just unflipped itself. There we go. Car is on, key is flipped, and now if I reach way up, I can kick it off, but in an unrealistic way. So I think the Sonic is safe from a recall again.